If you ask me, this is a great way to start a brand new week. What is going on, everybody? Oscar here. I see you, October. I see you guys. Everyone on X is pretty happy, and we all know why. 28,000 Bitcoin once again. Predictions are once again bullish. We're looking higher. 2.3% or so global market cap increased. Volume going higher. And I want to show you why in just a second and some of the longer predictions that we are on our pace to 100,000 Bitcoin. And that's going to be fantastic. We're earlier than Watch Your Guru. No news right now happening, but something coming from El Salvador and BlackRock as well. Numbers are looking green if you're looking at CoinMarketCap, and the price of Bitcoin is high. And yesterday and earlier today, I saw the price rallying. I tweeted 1:22 a.m. Central Time here in Texas. Look at this. Why? Because people are buying, and that's what gave us almost 3% on the price of Bitcoin from $27,000 all the way to $28,000. That's $1,000 different. That's great. We are still in the border of resistance. We're still in the border of consolidation. We need to break $32,000. Everyone, we are $4,000 away from breaking major key resistances, a price that Bitcoin hasn't put in forever. And let me show you what I mean. From the one day, you're going to clearly see that this 28,000 that we had just a few weeks ago, we have to move to this high price of 31,800 because the last time Bitcoin was that at 32 was June. So that's months ago. And that was coming after a major crash of Bitcoin that we're looking at over $40,000. So this right there, it's just a start. Nothing major to say, nothing to get extremely overwhelmed or excited. This pump that we're seeing right now, it's fantastic, right? But we need to break other more resistances to really have something more tangible. Because this Bart Simpson of a chart happens all the time. However, here are the good news. We're following the cycle, guys. And this is coming, of course, from Stock Money Lizards. I always like to follow them. I always recommend them because it does provide great insights. And each cycle follows a specific pattern in the time of, in terms of timing. This can be made visible with the help of Fibonacci zones. The bear market rally, the first one. Bear market rally, the second one. Bear market bottom, the third one, and that's putting Bitcoin at around $15,000. That was late 2022. Pre-breakout, usually before halving, this is what we are looking right now. That's number 3 and 4. That's 5, right? So we're looking in the 5 right now. We're waiting. And in the previous cycles, you're seeing how prior to halving, it's kind of consolidating. It's moving along. It's just trying to get to the pre-halving stage. That's it. To that halving date, that's it, right? New all-time high and cycle peak. That's the last one, 8. That's this one, what we're waiting for. That was our 20,000 Bitcoin, our 69,000 Bitcoin. And what's going to end up being, realistically speaking, if you want to know the truth, in the week we're going to see, I'll go ahead and add my Bitcoin logarithmic curves because I always like to add them, right? Especially for these ones. There are really different ways of seeing this, my friends. And I've talked about this on the channel during my live streams. We have these growth curves that I've been using for a while. We couldn't reach the red, but we did in the 2020 cycle, 2018 cycle, right? In the 2020 cycle, we reached the yellow. So this red back in the day was a bubble of 20,000 bucks. This was $69,000 in the yellow. If Bitcoin continues on a pace, which it could really do, I mean, guys, even from here, I can say that we are prepping for a massive explosion that it's no longer going to be 3%. It's no longer going to be 3%. It's going to be 30%, 20% as we wait for that halving. And only imagine it's going to look something like this, and you know it. This was 500%. That was the bull market. So if we do, and let's take a look at the other one here. Look at this. Look at this. That was 32. That was 3,000%. This is 500%. What do you want? 100%? Just to be conservative? Let's do 100%. So here, from here, 100%. That is $52,000 Bitcoin. Not even getting anywhere to the curves, to the medium. So this is going to be 200% from the price right now. Obviously, that's going to be the green. So 500% repeating the 2018, and this is 1,000% going to even $300,000 for one Bitcoin. Maybe that's a stretch. So let's put it right in the middle, passing 100,000, but easily under $200,000. So this is where this upcoming Bitcoin prediction is going to be at, guys. You know, I know. Once that happens, 2025 or so, everybody's gonna go wild at Bitcoin, and all the waiting that we've been doing so far is gonna pay off so much. Michael Saylor, all the billionaires are gonna get wealthier, and I think at that point, more known countries are gonna be accepting Bitcoin and the crypto standard. That's what the blockchain standard. That's what it is. So it's awesome that with a little bit of bullish momentum today. This is the weekly, right? So we're starting nice this one. Let's move once again to the day. I'm hoping to have a little bit more growth, not only just pump, consolidation, and crash, although it can always happen. It's just pure speculation, as you know, but I'm positive, right, that we can bring more pumped over to this month because we definitely need it. That's what's going on right now, everybody. Bitcoin trending, Grayscale trending, and you know, Grayscale what's also going to do. Take a look at this. Katie Wood says the SEC will approve multiple Bitcoin ETFs at once if they approve any. So, I mean, you know, guys, how much money is involved here. So, we're all hoping for this outcome to happen. SEC, hurry up. Gary Gensler, let's get him absolutely fire. Thanks for watching, everybody. Good morning. Have an amazing rest of the week. Let's enjoy because there's a lot going on and we're starting really well. Peace.